Hello everybody and welcome back to another Discord tutorial. Epic Discord tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to get ticket tool for your bot and how to set it up. And I want to give a big shout out to Noltaj for commenting good comments on my videos. If you want to get a shout out, make sure to join my Discord server, link will be in the description. And subscribe and like the video and comment a good comment. I'll be choosing 4 comments every single video. And without further ado, let's hop on into the video. Alright, first of all, head to the first link in the description down below, which will be tickettool.xyz. That will be the main page for Tickettool. And then you want to click on invite ticket tool. That's if you don't have the bot in your server. If you do already, then click on manage servers. And if you don't have the bot and click on manage servers, you won't view the bot that the server that you want to manage, because the bot is not in it. So you just have to click bot invite and then invite it, and then come back to this page and click on manage for the server that you want to manage. Alright, so and by the way, you have a 7 days trial free premium. Okay, you can click on it and then enable the thing, but I'm not going to do it on this video. Maybe I can do another video on it. And then you want to click on panel configuring. Okay, panel configuration is not working. Okay, I'll Alright, okay, now you can click create panel. Panel is the ticket that you're gonna create, so just click create panel. And then name it, like, the name's gonna be displayed on the ticket. So I'm gonna be like, support, and help, I guess, okay? And then the support team roles, each role you set us as a support team role will have access to view tickets created using this panel. Alright, so basically, if you have a support team role and they don't have admin permissions, they won't be able to view the tickets. But if you, like, add the role here, like, they will be able to view the ticket. Alright, currently I don't have any roles set up because this is a new server, so I'm not going to choose one. Then you want to choose the panel channel, like the channel that's named ticket. Alright, the ticket channel. And then go to your server and go to server settings and click on roles and create a new role. Name it like maybe bots or something. Alright, and then go to permissions and give it admin permissions so the bot can be able to create Bing roles and create channels, create like the ticket channels and stuff. Then click save changes and give it to the bot. There you go. Now he has it. Now he has them permissions. So now if I click like create panel, yes, it's over there. Now if I go to the tickets channel, it's over here. So basically, when you click on this button, okay, it creates a ticket, and when you go there you go. And also you can change the ticket tool message. So like instead of saying welcome, it will say like support team will be shortly with you, and maybe like ping the support team. Let me show you an example. Basically, when you go to your the panel configuration, then go to settings on the panel that you want to edit. Go to general options and wait, no, not general options. Ticket options, and then edit ticket message. Okay, and you also can edit the closed question. Okay, so click on the edit ticket message. All right, and now you should be able to edit this. And if you want to see all the variables like this, all of these, you can click close. And where is it? Yeah, there you go. All right. So just when you like close it and go to edit ticket message, you can say like so staff team will be shortly I cannot spell today, shortly with you. All right, and then you can ping the role. And if you want to ping the role, you gotta do like this. One sec. Role ID and yeah. All right. But I'm not gonna do that for now. I'm just gonna make it like this. Okay. We'll be short with you. Wait. What? Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm just gonna yeah. Okay, nice Grammarly. Okay, and click save. I said click save. Okay, embed saved. Now if I like close this ticket, close, and then go to wait, no, I gotta close it. Okay, delete and go to tickets. Just wait for it to close. Just 1 second. Dismiss message. Okay, it's gone. Now click create ticket, and there you go. Staff team will be shortly with you. And now you have the ticket tool set up in your server. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to hit my goal of 1,000 subscribers this year. And I'm also trying to hit 1k members on my Discord server, so make sure to join. We do a lot of giveaways and events and stuff, and the community is really friendly, so make sure to join down below. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.